Have you seen other people doing the personality color test on TikTok and wondered how to do it yourself? I'm Jessica from TechBoomers.com, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to make a TikTok personality color test video. Now let's get started. To begin, open your browser app and go to ktestone.com. Scroll down and select Personal Color Test. We'll leave a link for the test page in the description box below. If you like, you can take a screenshot here to use later in your TikTok video. Then tap Go to Test. Now answer all the personality test questions. Simply tap the answer you'd like to give for each question and you'll automatically be advanced to the next question. When you're done, you'll be shown your personality test result. Take a screenshot of the result page. To make your personal color test video, open TikTok and tap the plus sign to start creating a new video. Select the sound you want to use. Most people have been using this original sound by Brooke, but you can use whatever you'd like. To add your screenshots as a background in your video, tap Effects. Then select the green screen effect. In the menu above, select the first screenshot you took before taking the test. Record a bit of the video with that effect. Then switch your green screen background to the result page screenshot and record the rest of your video. After that, you can add any filters, text, stickers, and other effects you'd like. When you post your TikTok, use the hashtag #PersonalColorTest to help other users easily find your video. That's all it takes to do a personality color test TikTok video. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.